Hi friends! Today is day 3 of my water fast. I am not feeling as good as yesterday, that's for sure. Like my eyes are glossy. I'm tired. I have gone into keto, so that's a plus. Like, because it hasn't been 3 full days, it's been 2 full days. So 48 hours and I'm in keto, that's great. The way that you can do that is just water fasting and then exercising on top of that. So I've been working out with my exercise bike 2 hours a night, which it's not super strenuous. I do not recommend super strenuous exercises while you're fasting. But it's just kind of slow pace, chilling, and still burned like 1,200 calories. So anyways, I'm getting like a coating on my tongue and my breath is stinky and I'm getting like a headache and a little more sweaty. Like it's taking my body a lot more to do simple things, So like cleaning the house, I was so like sweaty and exhausted. And then I'm not thinking as clearly. So I'm not in that level of ketosis because I know once you're in full ketosis, apparently you are more focused and thinking more clearly. So right now I'm kind of in a fog. I know my body is also detoxing from sugar because I am a sugar fiend and a carb fiend. And so that could be it too, but I'm just tired. I'm going to go for 7 days. I might go longer. We'll see. But when I woke up this morning, I had lost 7 pounds. Yay! So the start of day 3, losing 7 pounds. Like, that's awesome. And I'm sure most of it's water, but still awesome. And what else? I'm taking a multivitamin, turmeric, elderberry capsules, and there's one more, probiotics. So that's the supplements that I'm taking. I feel like there's one more. I don't remember, but I'm sure I'll tell you tomorrow. But I hope you guys are having a good day. If you have any questions, ask me. I'm not a doctor or a medical professional. If you don't have a lot of body fat, I would not do a water fast. The key to it is it uses your fat for fuel for your brain and your kidneys and your organs. And if you don't have that enough fat, you could die. It's very scary. So I'll keep reporting back to you. And on day 7, I will do a before and after. Even if I decide to not go any further, or if I decide to go further, I'll still show y'all some pictures. And that's it. Have a good day, and I'll talk to you soon, guys.